but Disney World Thunder Mountain is better.
Is it?
Yes. It's much more wild. If you like smooth, this is better, but I like it to be wild. Because that's what this ride is. Here we go.
It'd be too late to alter course. And there you go.
Oh, my butt's wet.
Cover my expenses. And a chest of jewels. Drink up for me,
Watch your heads, watch this. Now if you look down, you'll see the bottom of the boat. If you look up, you won't see the top of the boat. Anytime those two do switch, swim. In the event that does happen and you're unable to swim, I will throw you a bar of soap you can wash ashore. Watch your heads, watch your steps. We're now entering an Indian elephant bathing pool. Feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. It's the spectacular, the stupendous, and the eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water! Woo!
Was the nightmare before Christmas.
Welcome to my Christmas delight. Look, Joe, I think they like our Christmas. You bet naughty or nice. High as it goes? Nope, we're going up still.
Oh dear. Oh,
We're at the top.
There's It's a Small World.
Mim's all the way at the bottom.
What are you doing down there, Mom? You gonna go down? Whee! Go down, go down. Then we gotta go back up. Up. It goes up slower than it goes down, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Everyone's up
You
now.
caught us.
Look, everyone's up.
Oh, cool. That's cool. Get a video of that. I bet that doesn't happen that often.
Probably not.
Oh, no. We're landing. That's Okay. That's okay. You don't have to stop
Can you go opposite?
Yep. Unwind.
Yep.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end.
That's it?
Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
creepy.
That's the new Yeti.
When did they do a new Yeti?
I think they just got a new Yeti. The old Yeti's in the...
Well, I knew that, but I didn't realize it was, I don't know, I didn't know they had a new Yeti. That was a good Yeti.
Yeah. Pretty realistic.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Give me that ham.
What?
Give me that ham.
You gonna try and give it to me? We did it. We're getting good at that.
Yep.
Junior's coming down the track, play the smoky slack.
That was pretty fast. I like the mountains.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there! Get away from us.
This roller coaster was like one of the first roller coasters I ever rode.
Really?
I rode it with my mom. I think it was the first roller coaster I ever rode.
The Gopher.
I was terrified. That's all. That's way smoother than the Barnstormer though, isn't it? This is Ruby's house.
Uh-huh.
It's all Christmassy. Ruby almost likes Christmas a lot. He's already right. I like the background.
Yeah.
The shadow house. Slow burning mac and cheese cone from, I don't remember which cone it is. The one next to Cone Coctions. And it's spicy and delicious. And I'm gonna get a picture of
Is it spicy and delicious?
It's spicy and delicious. What was that?
What?
Are you making fun of me?
No?
I haven't had the bread yet though.
You should try the bread.
I will. Right now?
Yeah. Take a bite. Looks like a brownie. Is it like
Tastes
a
like bread.
pretzel?
No. It's kind of like a breadstick.
Okay.
It's good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I forgot how much I love this ride!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, scream!
pumpkin spice churro. It smells more pumpkin-y than it tastes. What do you think?
Didn't have much flavor.
Not much pumpkin flavor.
Yeah.